Hello everyone, welcome to our website channel. From today we are starting a very interesting tutorial or you can say an interesting course, and the name of this course is Python. As we all know, Python is one of the most popular programming languages today. It is the only language that is extremely beginner friendly. If you are a beginner and you want to learn your first programming language, Python gives you the best option. And if we look at opportunities in today's world, Python stands right at the top. There are many reasons for that. It has a very strong community. It is easy to learn, easy to read, easy to maintain, and much more. That is why beginners choose Python first. Whether your project is web-based, IoT-based, or from any department, Python helps you everywhere. That's why we are starting this full Python series. You will get a complete guideline from Python basics all the way to advanced concepts. We will move step by step and we will discuss every topic in depth. Learning Python with this tutorial will be very easy for you, and once you finish this tutorial, you will be able to call yourself a Python developer. We will discuss many things in this Python series that you don't find in most other tutorials. We will learn Python deeply so that we can take Python to any platform we want. Now let's see who created such a powerful and popular language. Python was created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. He started developing it in 1985 and released it publicly in 1991. And today Python has become incredibly trending. Everyone wants to learn Python first so that they can switch to different fields later, whether it's web development, machine learning, or artificial intelligence. So what is Python? Why was it created? And why is it so popular today? We will discuss all of this in the next video. But for now, let's quickly understand why we should learn Python. Python is a language used by many multinational companies. Companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Netflix all use Python. So learning Python gives you an opportunity to target these companies, apply for jobs there, crack their interviews, and build your career. Another major reason to learn Python is that it opens many doors for you. You get many options to choose from after learning Python. Python is excellent for career growth because it gives you access to many fields and opportunities. For example, after learning Python, you can become a game developer. You can work as a full stack developer, front end, back end, or both. You can work in machine learning, which is a great option today. You can become a data scientist. You can work as a data analyst in any company. You can become a data engineer. And this is not all. Many more fields open up once you properly learn Python. That's why we are going to learn Python and learn it very thoroughly. We want to build strong Python knowledge so we can confidently move into any field. To learn any programming language deeply, you must understand each topic clearly. Once that happens, you can jump into any field with confidence. That's why we will learn Python step by step from basics to advanced. I hope our learning journey will be great, and once this journey is complete, you will have the power of Python, a power that helps you move into any field you want. I hope you like this introduction part. See you in the next Python tutorial where we will discuss what Python is, why it is so powerful, and why it is so popular among everyone. Please tell me in the comments how you like this video. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like it and share it with everyone. See you in the next class.